Good afternoon, everybody. So for those of you that yesterday did some drawing with me, we did a bear and we did a cat and we did a mouse. So I think you're all ready to draw some more animals. So I've prepared 8 animals for us to draw today. And if you want to draw along, you can send me your pictures. I'm going to use a pen again. So I have a black pen. You can use a pencil, or you can use some colouring pencils, any colour you want, but I'm going to use a pen because it's nice and thick and black so that you can see what I'm drawing. So we're going to start with a monkey. Now monkeys have big ears, so we're going to start with one ear, nice and big and round. It's like a K for cat, like a C. And then we're going to draw his head. So his head is quite round, so we're going to draw the top bit of his head first. Nice round head like that, and we're going to draw the other ear exactly the same shape but on the other side, so like a backwards curly K. And then we need to finish his face, so exactly the same as the top, we're going to finish the circle, so nice and round like that. And then the monkey has a sort of strange inside of his face, so we're going to draw a shape like this. It's difficult to explain, so I'll show you. So in the middle, start in the middle, and we're going to go around like that, and that's where his eye's going to go, inside there. And then around like that, because that's where his mouth is going to go. And then we're going to finish this shape over here. So now he needs some eyes. One eye in there and one eye in here. We're going to give him some happy eyebrows. And we're going to give him some nostrils, so for his nose. And we're going to give him a surprised face. And for his ears, we're going to finish them off with another curly K in there and a backwards curly K in there. And then he needs a little body, so a small neck and then some shoulders. And the same on the other side. He looks like a silly monkey. And we're going to give him a little tail, so like a little S shape, like that. So there's your monkey. We're going to do an elephant now, a big elephant. So obviously we know elephants have big ears. So I'm going to start with this ear. And then I'm going to do the top of his head, a bit like the monkey, the top of his head, a bit like a circle. And then I'm going to do the other ear on the other side. So exactly the same, but the other side. So up and down and a curve like that. Now we need obviously the trunk. So the trunk goes in the middle here and it goes lower than his ears. So we'll start above the bottom of the ear and go under like that. So a long line down and a curve up. And the end of his trunk looks a bit like that. And then we'll follow the line back up and curve out like that. And there's his trunk. And we'll give him some happy eyes, just like that, and some eyebrows. And now he can have some shoulders as well. So we'll draw them in like that. And a little tail. So an elephant's tail at the end is like a brush. So it looks a bit like that. There you go, there's your elephant. Now we're going to draw a unicorn, a beautiful unicorn. So we'll do the face first. It's a bit like a rectangle. So a bit like a rectangle, but we're not going to draw the 4th side. So we've got 1, 2, 3 sides. Now we're going to give him an eye and a nostril. Can you see where his face is going to be? So he's looking down this way. We're going to give him a lovely big horn because he's a unicorn. And I'm going to do some diagonal lines like that on the unicorn's horn. And he needs a big ear. So a pointy ear like that. And then we can give him a neck. So his neck can come down like that. Then we're going to do the difficult bit. So a unicorn's hair is really beautiful and flowy. So we're going to do these sort of curly shapes. They're quite difficult to draw. So how we do those, we go down and away from the unicorn, stop, go in a bit and up. And we'll do that a few times. So down, away from the unicorn, in a bit and up. And one more, down and away, in and up. So you can colour these sections in different colours and that would make a really lovely unicorn. And we'll finish his ear just with a little line like that. Now the last one on this line, we're going to draw a chicken. So a chicken has a beak That's how the chicken eats his food, with his little beak. So it's like a triangle. And underneath the beak, they have this red piece of, well, I don't know what it is really. It's just a piece of skin underneath the chicken's beak, and that's nice and red. And then he has a round head and a happy eye. And on the top, he has this funny shape. It looks a bit like fingers or like a glove. So it's red as well. And it's got 1, 2, 3 hills like that. So now we're going to draw the chicken's body. So we do a straight line like that. And then there's a circle that comes up to make the rest of the body. So we'll start under this bit here. And we'll go down and round and up to meet that straight line. We can give him a little tail like that, and then we can give him some wings like that. And now he needs some feet, so we can give him a leg, nice long leg. And chickens have, like birds, like that, they have little feet with little webbed feet. So we'll give him just one leg because you can only see the side of the chicken. So now we're going to go down onto the next line, and we're going to draw a tiger. So those of you yesterday that did a cat, you'll remember the cat shape of the face is a bit like an eye, and the tiger is the same. So we'll do like an eye shape. So a bit of a circle there, and then we'll join it at the bottom. So it's like the shape of an eye, like sort of a squished circle. Then we'll give him some ears. And then he needs a nose, so a triangle nose. Now he needs a happy smiley face, like that, the same on both sides. And a tiger has very sharp teeth, so we'll give him a triangle tooth there and a triangle tooth there. And he needs 2 eyes, so we'll give him 1 eye there, 1 eye there. And we'll give him some stripes because he's a tiger, so he can have a triangle, and another triangle, and the same on the other side. So do 1, 2, 3, and we'll do 3 more triangles at the top because he's got a stripy head. So 1, 2, 3. And then he needs some shoulders and a neck. So a bit like a flower vase like that, and the same on the other side. And we're going to give him a bit of a thicker tail because we're going to draw some stripes on the tail. So we'll do the S shape, and then we'll follow it back round again so that we've got a thicker tail so that we can add some stripes. So I'm going to do some triangles all the way along his tail. And I'm going to do some triangles on his body, so some stripes for the tiger. And do you know what colour a tiger is? So tigers are orange with black stripes. So maybe you could colour him in orange and then colour in the triangles in black if you wanted to. So there's your tiger. Let's give him some eyebrows. Now we're going to draw an owl. So we're just going to draw the owl's head. An owl has a shaped head like this. So you go up, and then they have little triangle ears. So we're going to do 1 point for his right ear, but it's the left ear for us. And then we're going to draw a straight line across for the top of his head. And now he needs another triangle ear on this side. So up and down, and then we'll draw the opposite to this. So we've got the same shape on both sides. And then we'll join these 2 lines. Can you see what it's going to be? So now we'll draw a triangle for his little beak right in the middle. That's his beak. We'll draw 2 eyes, 1, 2, and then an owl has a lovely beautiful shape around his face, a bit like the monkey. So from the side of the triangle, we're going to go out and up and round and down like curly cut again, and then we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So up, round, down, round and up. And an owl has lovely feathers, so we're going to draw these little U shapes, so like for umbrella. So a U and a U and a U, and go all the way along the line until you get to the end. And then we're going to draw 1 more row of these feathers. So again, just lots of U shapes all the way along, And then you could colour these in different colours maybe and make it a really multicoloured owl. That would be nice. So now I think we're going to draw a dinosaur. So we're going to give him a long neck because he's a tall dinosaur. We'll give him a little ear because he needs to hear. And then we'll give him a round head. So like that, curve it round. Give him a flat nose. And then he has big nostrils. So we'll give him a lump like that. And we'll give him a nostril. We'll give him a smiley mouth because he's a happy dinosaur and he needs some teeth now. So triangles make the teeth all the way along his mouth. We'll give him a happy eye and then we'll give him the rest of his face. So we'll give him a bit of a chin, a square face and a neck and a fat belly. And then he is going to have spikes all the way up. So we're going to do lots of triangles like that all the way up. Just follow the line of the dinosaur's neck like that. And give him one on top as well. So that's your little dinosaur. If you want to, you could give him an arm as well. So let's give him a little dinosaur arm like that. And one on this side as well. He looks like a zombie. Okay, and then last but not least, we've done a scary dinosaur, so now we're going to do a cute bunny. So a bunny obviously has two long ears, two pointy ears at the top of his head. So we're going to do the side of the bunny's body and the side of his face, all just one long line. And then we're going to give him a big ear like that. And then we'll come along and do the top of his head. We'll draw another big ear, just like that. And then we'll copy the same line on the other side, all the way down. Now we're going to do the inside of the ears. So follow the shape, up and back down and across. And the same on this side. So up and back down and across. Now the bunny needs a little nose. So we're going to give him a little V nose. And a little smiley mouth and some happy eyes. And a bunny has whiskers like a cat, so we're going to give him 3 whiskers, 3 little hairs on each side. So 1, 2, 3, and the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to give some of these characters little rosy cheeks like we did yesterday. So I think the elephant can have some rosy cheeks. I think the unicorn can definitely have a rosy cheek. The dinosaur and the bunny. There we go. So if you want to now colour these in, you can make the unicorn lots of different colours, maybe a brown bunny, a green dinosaur, a yellow chicken, a grey elephant, a brown monkey. And remember, we said a tiger is orange with black stripes. So show me your pictures, I'd love to see them. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.